So now let's see how we can create custom presets inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here, let me just go around and make some changes over here, make some random changes over here just like this. And let's say I want to go around and save this out as a preset so that I can use it in future in another photos. So to do that, you need to go around onto the preset section over here. And over here, you can see that create preset is an option. So now once you go around and do that, you can select out the range of presets that you want to apply. For example, you can go around onto basic presets right here, or just a few right here as well. So you can go around and just make basic preset over here, or select out whatever option you want to make the preset of right here. So subset, you can go around and select out where you want to save it. So I'm just going to go around onto, let's say for example, onto let's say profile section right here, or then you can go around and select out to profile preset, go for basic, and you just got the profile basic preset. Color mixer, you just have the color mixer and so forth. But I'm just going to go around and go for custom select and save it all. So over here, we can see that this preset will be saved to user presets. And over here, I'm going to go around and say sample preset right here, just like this. And I'm going to apply the auto tone adjustments over here, just like this as well. So once you select out all of these settings right here, you can also check all or check none, as you can see right here. But I'm just going to say check all and press OK. Once you do that, user presets pop up, as you can see, and there you go. There's the sample preset right here. So it applied the effect again, as you can see. So now let me just go around over here and then make around changes right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then make around changes over here. And if I were to go around under presets right here and go for sample preset, then the same preset get applied again, as you can see, and you can apply this in other images that you have as well. And that is how you can create and utilize custom presets inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.